Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook roasted chicken in Saladmaster Skillet. Our ingredients are 1 whole chicken, lemongrass, calamansi or lime, garlic, rock salt, soy sauce, ground assorted spices which is cinnamon, cloves, istarani, cumin, and fennel seeds, ground black pepper, and olive oil. How to prepare? Spread the salt all over the chicken. Next is drizzle and spread the ground black pepper. And then the assorted seasoning. Mix the lime into the soy sauce. Dip the garlic and lemongrass into the soy sauce and stuff inside the chicken. Soak chicken with a mixture of soy sauce and lime for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After soaking, put a small amount of olive oil on the chicken. How to cook? Preheat the skillet into 230 degrees. Put chicken inside the skillet together with the mixture of soy sauce and lime and cover it. Set the timer for 1 hour. Once the timer reaches 50 minutes, crack open the lid and wait again for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your roasted chicken is done.